So this is the old sleeve that came out. Of course, I use this sharp screwdriver to pry it and remove it from its place. This is the new one that will go in. I'm gonna inspect the gear. Sometimes the gear is worn out. Gonna put some gonna grease the gear. Put it back in place. Put some grease in the roller. And put the roller back. Put the knot back 7 millimeter. This pipe, it had made a mark over here. I'm gonna put it back in the same place, in the same position. So don't forget to put back the antenna connector. Put back the antenna connector. Put back the motor back in place. And two. One. Put back the connector, positive and green. After putting the motor back in place, this is what is left. We're gonna open the radio, and then when we close it, we're gonna insert the driver inside. I'm gonna open the radio. as you see, the antenna is going in. So that's how to insert the antenna in place. We're gonna put the sleeve, and we're gonna put the nut, and the job will be done. Put a little bit grease on the sleeve. I'm gonna insert the sleeve. Go far. So I'm gonna open the radio one more time and close it, and I'm gonna finalize the nut. And finalize the nut. One more here. And that's it. So that's it, guys. So this is how to replace the antenna mast. Of course, this job could take between 15 minutes until 45 minutes if the sleeve is seized up inside the pipe. So this antenna motor is the same almost on all Saabs. So if you have antenna mast style and that comes with a motor, at least the Saab, they had it for at least 20 years, so they are all the same. So if you know how to replace one model, all the models are almost the same. I think only the difference is the Saab 9000, which maybe the diameter was different. So thanks for watching.